Here, I would like to talk about the difference between the limit of a function and the function value. Alright, informally speaking, limit, you can think of limit of a function as a tendency of the function. Right, so it doesn't really matter what happened to the function when x is equal to, in this case 2, right? But you need to look around and look at the tendency of the function, then determine the value of the limit, right? Then on the other hand, function value here is the actual value, so it has nothing to do with the tendency. You just look at the actual value, so you can think of function value as the actual value, right? Once you got that, it's fairly easy to distinguish these two, limit and the function value. Alright, so let's look at this example right here. So the graph is given already. So this is a graph of f of x. Then we want to find the limit of the function f of x as x approaches 2. Right? So what you do is look at the graph and look for the tendency of the function around x equals 2. So you can see that if you approach 2 from the left, so you're approaching from this side and from the right, and you can see that the tendency of the function from both sides is heading toward this point right here, right? So which means that the limit is going to be the corresponding y value. So you can see that you can find the corresponding y value is 1 in this example. So the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 is 1. Alright. On the other hand, the function value, f of 2. So you're looking for the actual value of the function when x equals 2. So in order to find that, all you have to do is go directly to 2, right? Then try to look vertically and see if you can find the graph, and say you can find the graph right here. So once you find the graph at x equals 2, then you find the corresponding y value. So you can see that in this case corresponding y value is 3. So f of 2 is equal to 3. Right? So you can see that the actual function value is 3, but which has nothing to do with the limit. You can see that these values are different. All right, hopefully this was clear.